Jackie Mazzocato here, and this is my Thursday.
I'm very excited today. I'm going to create a party in your mouth with all of these flavours. I am making my own paste for my Malai Boti, which is basically a cream barbecue chicken. I've got some green chilies, not going to be as spicy as the red chilies, but let's get started and I'll talk to you about the ingredients as we go. So about 2 tablespoons of julienned ginger. What I'm going to add to the ginger is a tablespoon of coriander seeds and a tablespoon of cumin seeds. We've got a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper in here, and some teaspoon of garam masala. So that's all pounded through now, the garlic's through. I'm going to add the chilies. And if you didn't want to sort of use the mortar and pestle, you could just use your stick blender, or alternatively, you could also throw all of this in a food processor and you'd be done in no time. But I'm just going to whip the tops of those. I'm going to put seeds and all in. Don't want to waste any flavour there. Got all of our chilies now ground down into that paste. Oh, yum. Seriously, this recipe absolutely packs flavour into this chicken. So I'm just going to add, I've got about a teaspoon of lemon rind in there, some beautiful lemons that were given to me, and a tablespoon of lemon juice in there. 2 tablespoons of almond meal. You can use other nuts as well. You might want to use cashew nuts. That can also be quite traditional. So I've got here 3 tablespoons of yogurt. The same of cream. So if you need to make a bit more, you can play with the ingredients in that regard. I'm going to be serving it with a mint yogurt dip, which I'll make up in a minute. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pop my chicken into the backlock bag like that. Yep. And there we go, ready to go straight in the fridge. Okay, so we know this one's got a bit of a punch to it. So what I've done is I'm going to make up a yogurt dipping sauce or a yogurt side sauce to have with this. So in here I've got a cup of yogurt, half a cup of mint leaves, some beautiful, beautiful fresh lemon, and just seasoning with salt and pepper. So a teaspoon of salt. Yum. Oh, that's definitely going to balance this. Really looking forward to how spicy this one's going to be. That chicken does have a kick. I did say I'd give you a party in the mouth. It's definitely a party in the mouth. The chicken's so beautiful and moist because it's been in the yogurt and the cream and the lemon. And that would have really tenderised that. And you get these beautiful tastes of the ginger and the garlic coming through, and then just at the end you get this massive sort of like spice, and that's great. I'm going to get on with this sensational dish, my glass of wine. Buon appetito.